I'm going to show you another way I like to do my cucumbers and onions. I'll go ahead and get the solution started first. I start out with 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. And I put 2 cups of sugar in it. I get that heated up and melt the sugar better. While that's heating up, I'll go ahead and slice up me a couple more cucumbers. I get about 3 or 4 of that size. That makes a good mess of cucumbers. And I'll slice them all up and get all the hide off of them. The heat makes that sugar melt quicker. And I pour it over the cucumbers and onions. I'll slice them about a 1/4 inch thick. Put it in my bowl. You don't have to boil your sugar, water, and vinegar too much. It's just enough to melt the sugar. Once it gets to melting it, I'll take and I'll pour 1 tablespoonful of olive oil into the vinegar and sugar. Stir it up real good. I always like putting onions in my cucumbers too. And I slice them about a 1/4 inch thick and I cut them in half. Cut them in half like that and put them in there. After I get them all sliced up, I like to put salt and pepper on them too. Get them all mixed up. Now I put the top on them and get them shook up real good. Not that good, but pretty good. After I get them all shook up, I'll take that vinegar and sugar and olive oil mixture and pour on them. Okay. Once you get them all poured into the vinegar and sugar mixture, you stir them up good. If you get them stirred up good, you put the top on them, put them in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and they'll be good to eat.